Not at us. It's the gun from your dad's ship. Keep your head down.
Don't worry.
That goes for you too, Bandit.
What are you gonna do, Race?
Got any ideas?
Well, can't you lose them?
I'm trying, Johnny. Trouble is, they've got a pretty fast boat, too.
Yeah, and a rifle.
Just keep your head down and your fingers crossed.